Hello, Year 11. This is Mr. Thomas. Unfortunately, we were unable to have the Year 11 core revision evening, which was calendared for the 6th of April. This was obviously due to the circumstances of COVID and the recent increase in transmissions of COVID. So we've decided to recreate the evening over a series of presentations. So the first presentation is from Miss Gibbons, the second will be from Miss Gander, and the third from Mrs. Wood, okay, and how best to prepare for your GCSEs in maths, English and science. The fourth PowerPoint then is from Miss Walters, and she's got some really useful hints and tips on how to revise. And then I've got some as well to share with you in the final presentation. Diolch yn fawr, blwyddyn 11.
My name is Rachel Gibbons and I'm the Director of Mathematics here at Porth Community School. In the next few slides, I'm going to take you through my hints and tips for preparation for the Mathematics GCSE exam. GCSE in Mathematics is assessed solely on the two written papers in May and June. There is no coursework element to this exam or teacher assessment. All grades will be based on these exams. I'm a firm believer that the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Hard work pays off and you need to start revising now. Using the little and often approach, I'm sure your hard work will pay off. However, before you start, you need to prepare. Fail to prepare and you need to prepare to fail. The first thing you need to do is to create a study space. This could be a desk in your bedroom, downstairs at home, either in the kitchen or dining room. You need somewhere to be able to work. Secondly, you need to make sure you have your equipment. You need to have a calculator at home and know how to use it. Do you know how to reset this calculator if it was to be giving you the wrong answers during an exam? There are a range of ways in which you can revise. Mind maps and creating revision lists, organising your notes would be the first steps. A revision list will be available from your teacher for each tier. This revision list needs to be RAG rated and you need to work on the topics that you are least confident with. Once you identify these topics, mind maps, revision notes and learning formula are essential. Whilst preparing, you can work in groups or as an individual. Both of these are valid. You will know your own preferred learning style. If you know working in a group will be distracting, then you need to work individually, but both can pay off. Finally, past paper exam questions will be the key to passing your GCSE. You need to work on the questions that you cannot do. You need to hand in completed past paper homework and get it marked so that you know where you're going wrong and how to get it right next time. So how are we supporting you on your journey to your GCSEs in May and June? Lessons will be continuing on revision topics that you need to practice. We've identified areas of strengths and weakness and we will be working on these with you over the next few weeks. There is after school revision every Tuesday and Wednesday for GCSE. There is also Easter revision taking place and this will be published soon on the Piotr app and on the Twitter page. We've conducted pre-public exams, so we know how to help you. We know your individual areas of strength and weaknesses, and you will have feedback on this yourself that you can work on at home. It will help you identify the topics that you need to practice. Just before the GCSE exams, we will be conducting walking, talking mocks. This is a technique that helps you prepare for the exam. It helps your thought process when preparing and answering exams. What you need to know for each area, each question, before writing down any answers. We also use a range of other useful websites and resources. MathsWatch is our online learning tool. You will be set assignments and past papers on here. The more you practice, the more you will understand. Maths DIY is an invaluable website. It has all WJEC past papers on there with worked solutions. If you are stuck on a question, you can look up the past paper here and how to complete it. Corbett Maths provides a 5-a-day resource. This is really useful for the little and often approach. 5 questions a day to start off with, half an hour to start, and then building up to full past papers just before your exam is the approach you should take. If you're working on a particular topic and need more questions on this area, WJEC Question Bank allows you to search by topic. This will give you all questions for a certain topic that has ever been asked on a WJEC Maths exam. Parents and guardians, you can support at home by helping them prepare for the exams, ensuring that they know the dates of the exams and that they arrive to school on time for all exams. You can help them prepare a study plan and stick to the study plan, supporting them when there are distractions such as mobile phones and social media. Have breaks, go on breaks with them and provide snacks and drinks during their revision times. Revision should be between 30 and 40 minutes with 10 to 20 minute break slots. Finally, it is going to be a stressful time for both students and parents, but we would encourage you to think positively, talk positively and feel positively about the exams. Support each other and give advice and guidance. And remember that you are not alone. If ever you need to contact us, please get in touch. Here are the contact details of the mathematics team. I would encourage you to get in touch with us whenever you need to. Diolch yn fawr.